Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by, really appreciate it. I'm going to be running a little test here. Everybody knows about these replaceable fletchings, the ones you just dip in boiling water and they shrink around the arrow. They're really convenient if you mess up your fletching or something and you need a quick fix. And I've never really had any problems with them, but I just wanted to do a little test here. I'm going to do some slow motion and just see if these things shoot any different than arrow without them. I really like them, but I'm just going to run a few tests here and we'll see what we come up with. Should be cool to see if they shoot any different, then see what happens. Alright, I'm going to shoot the one without anything. We're just right here about 20 yards. Pretty easy shot. Alright. This is with the arrow wrap fletching. Let's go take a look at it. Alright, here we are. I actually was shooting up there, but I think we're a little farther than 20. But we'll take a look at it on that slow motion and see if there's much difference. Alright guys, we're going to shoot another set here and see if we can get a little better angle on that slow motion footage. I couldn't tell a whole lot of difference. Alright, this is with, I'm using the Mathews E7 here, Extreme. A little better. My shots. Let's go check it out. Alright, as you can see, those are just about touching, so not a whole lot of difference, I'd say. Alright, for our last set here, move back to 30, see if that makes any difference. I'll shoot the one with the wrap on there. Alright, let's go check it out. Well, as you can see, about the same. Not a whole lot of difference, both in the bullseye. Alright guys, I think that's gonna conclude my testing. As you saw, not a whole lot of difference. I just wanted to do a little slow motion against it and see if we saw anything funny happening, but I don't think there's much difference. Like I said, I really like these wraps. They're really easy, simple, and just a quick fix. So I'm using these Blazer. I don't have the tag on here anymore, so I'm not exactly sure which ones they are, but True Fletch, I think. But they've been working really good. Haven't had any crack or anything. Like some of them I've had crack if you get the cheaper ones, but if you get the more expensive ones, they seem to last a little longer. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. I'll catch you right back here on my next video.